Hey there, Cherie Herne here. If you missed last week's class on how to make a driftwood heart, hanging heart, I'm going to tell you what you missed. So you have a top branch like this, and then you have all your sticks that you've gotten in your kit. So before we do anything else, we need to sand our sticks. And we want to sand them, let's see, I'll find what, here's a good one that's not sanded. So any places that I've cut pieces off, I want you to take the sandpaper and I want you to sand it. Make your sticks look nice. You know, this is a big project and you want it to look really good. So round those edges down. Also, you've got in your kit a rough piece of sandpaper. Take that rough piece of sandpaper and rub the stick, the corners of the stick. You want to take those edges off because driftwood doesn't come with sharp edges. And to make this, to use the straight pieces for this hanging heart, we have to cut them. So that's why they end up with a blunt edge. We don't want it to look blunt. So that's what we did in last week's class. We got that all ready. So once you have your sticks all sanded, you're going to put them on your template. But you have to be careful. You want to get the right ones in the right place because there's exact measurements. So you want to put them down and make sure on each stick there are little holes that we've drilled through them for you. And that's how we're going to hang them in the end. So you want to make sure that the holes go at the top and lay them on your template. And that is as far as we got last week because it took a long time to sand our branches. So stay tuned and you'll see what we do tonight. All right.